One of the topics that is discussed in Parshat Shoftim is the idea of Mesit u'Mediach. Concerns a Jew who tries to persuade others to worship Avodah Zarah. And, as always, the Torah reacts to such an individual in a very harsh manner. We can ask the question, what is so bad about Avodah Zarah? Sounds like such a basic question. After all, it challenges the very basic premise of Judaism. After all, it goes to the very core of our relationship with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It challenges HaKadosh Baruch Hu's omnipotence. I'd like to suggest another level of why Avodah Zarah is so terrible. We have a mitzvah that we learn out from the pasuk, Zeh Keli Vanvehu. The Rambam describes this mitzvah as V'halachta b'drachav. It's a special mitzvah that we have to emulate HaKadosh Baruch Hu's ways. The question is, what is the significance to this mitzvah? I believe the answer to the question is the following. When we grow, when we try to forge our unique path in our lives, we need role models. We look to our parents, we look to our peers, look to people around us to learn, to see whom we want to emulate. We don't sometimes think about the fact that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is also a role model. Now, all the Avodah Zarah look to their deities as role models as well. But if we look at the various different gods of, for example, the Greeks or the Romans, we see that they're petty, that they're fickle, that they're greedy, they lie, and they cheat. So what kind of a role model are they? What kind of individual will become, after looking at these gods, as role models? At the same time, a Jew has HaKadosh Baruch Hu as a role model. Regardless of the level the Jew reaches, they look up to our ultimate role model and say to ourselves, we have so much left to do, so much left to accomplish. Whatever it is I do, certainly I have not yet reached HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And I believe that is exactly why Avodah Zarah is so terrible. Avodah Zarah creates a society that is limited in its accomplishments because the role models, the greatest role models, the gods of that society are so limited. Our society is based on HaKadosh Baruch Hu and His ways, v'halachtu b'drachav, and therefore our abilities and our achievements are measured against a much higher standard, which allows us as a community and as individuals to reach so high. Thank you.